Anywho, guys, so if you're new, just go ahead and subscribe, because this is where it's at. We have lots of fun here and we learn lots of things. Even if we're having fun, there's always a lesson somewhere in there. That is what we aim for. Otherwise, right now, time check, it is Friday, 1st of July, aka Canada Day. So happy Canada Day in case you're watching this. I know it's going to be after Canada Day, but who cares? We are headed to High Park. High Park is one of the biggest parks. It's not the biggest park in Toronto. Actually, even the GTA, I think. So we're going to be having a barbecue hosted by the Dominion Church. There's going to be a football match between Uganda and Gambia. I actually invited my friend out, but I don't know if she'll be able to make it, because, you know, she just had a baby and all that. So, guys, if you can believe, I have looked for parking for the best part of an hour. That means over half an hour. I did. So frustrating. Like, literally, I just wanted to go home. Like, I was over it. Like, I was like, I don't care. I don't care how good I look. I'm just going to go home, sit and watch Netflix and eat popcorn, which I cannot because I'm fasting. At this point, I almost had it, unfortunately. But we're here. Welcome to Ugandaville in Toronto. Ready for Canada Day, looking gorgeous, gorgeous. To see Kachiwano. Wogo, mashallah. And then what if we need chichi, chinyanja, mawono. As usual, the ladies in the kitchen. You might recognize them from Montreal. This is what they do best. Wakazi bafumbi bano. Ono duiro bamutegera bulungi nnyo. Bamfuna mu degree. Wow, these are thingies from Lillian made these, and they're like Ugandan cake, literally. They're so amazing. Aww, and Thinga made samosas, and what juice are with them?
Juice is here.
Oh, okay, so there's juice inside there. This is how we're looking. Hi, Mama. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Sorry, Naiwa, what do you So this is what she has for us. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Mashallah. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Hello everyone, greetings from Toronto. It's Canada Day. Happy Canada Day. We are here with Jazira Karanda live on YouTube. Please click, follow, like, comment. Love you so much.
Thank you. Banange, guys, before I let you go, this is Mama Pitmoff. That is her foundation. She's popularly known for that. Like, she helps young teen mothers, people who have had children underage and stuff like that. So she has all those services that she provides for them. So just please make sure you always support the foundation. These are normally people who are disadvantaged. They're not in most places that we are. So it's always important that you please give back. Give sadaq. Okay. This is Lady Jamila. In the meantime, I have so many Jamilas in my family, so mashallah. I did tell her that last time. I don't know if you remember. So this is, the Jamila that soothes me right now while I'm away from all my Jamilas. I miss you guys so much. So from one Jamila to another, she says salam.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Please subscribe.
Yes, and happy Canada Day. Thank you. Subscribe. Yeah, go back in. Whee. And come here. Oh, this one's for grown-ups. Spider. Oh my God, there's a bat. What else is inside this castle?
Everything.
And there's another bug. Ooh, there's a bug there. Huh? Where's your sister? Mima, be careful.
until my heart gives in. I will do everything I can for you.
Okay, so we out here in the play area for the kids, which is what I love about parks in Canada. Mashallah, like there'll always be a play spot for kids, but this one is pretty wide, like it's massive. Well, it is Hyde Park for a reason. Like I said, it's one of the biggest parks here, so yeah, there's all this expanse of land for them to play, different swings, all kinds of, I don't even know what some of these stuff is called, but yeah. Oh, okay, I gotta push my babies. Just a moment. You want to go to the castle? Okay, we're going to go to the castle. Auntie Judy calls. This is my life now. So I need a charm. You had one of Africa. Where is it?
Yeah, we have an African one. Where's the gel? No, there's a charm of Africa.
Oh yeah, this is Egyptian. So cute.
Oh, the one with
With the Africa. Where did it go?
this one.
Oh, there.
Ah, okay. So guys, we have beadwork here. Every single bead you're looking at is literally handmade from clay. It takes hours to make. Let me tell you, after I started doing these YouTube things, manya what? I've realized like you need to respect people's craft.
Right.
Like what goes into it, the work, the energy, the love. It's amazing. This is beautiful work. So we're gonna be supporting this business. Thank you. Okay, so like I mentioned, we did come for a match. It is Gambia versus Uganda. Where am I going with Gambia first? I'm Ugandan. So it is Uganda versus Gambia, and lo and behold, the match is taking place right behind me. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna take a sneak peek. We're gonna find out the scores. We have not been watching the match since it started, but hopefully we're winning. I hope we're winning. Otherwise, I'll easily become Gambian very fast, and also if we're not. Mama. Gambia just scored. This is what they call the Canadian smile. I'm not really smiling, no. My favorite boy of all time. Why aren't you playing? You didn't want to play today? This, lo and behold, is Mikey, literally ready to play, and he's here telling me he doesn't want to play. He wants us to lose. He wants us to lose now, Abby. He wants us to lose. Actually, I know why Mike is not there. Why, you think you're doing Ugandan enough for us to play, huh?
No,
When we lose, you don't want to be associated.
Listen, okay, I want us to win, but if we lose, then next time I can say we lost because I didn't play.
Thank you for this wonderful time that you have granted that we spent together in your presence. Lord, we acknowledge that many people have not lived to see this day, and for us that have lived to see this day, Lord, we thank you for the life, we thank you for the oneness, we thank you for the provision that you have given all of us.
يا ألم ما بحب لنا من أزواجنا وذرياتنا قرة أعين وجعلنا للمتقين إماما رب حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العظيم سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم تسليما Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun. Wassalamun ala mursalin. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
We are here for reasons that are more than just kicking the ball around. For reasons of unity, as our theme is, love is alive. Amidst all the differences. Solomon, take it. Amidst all the differences, anything we do that honors God benefits us. So,
I greet everyone in the name of peace. Assalamu alaikum. I tell people to call me JJ. So those are my initials. I'm part of this moment now. If you look at it now, we are from a different background, from different part of this world. You guys are from the west, east, rather we are from the west, and we are united here because of love. That is what brought us together here. That is what we celebrate. It's not about the football, it's not about the game, it's not about the trophies, but it's about being one and loving your other person the same way like you love yourself.
So, could you state your name for the record, please?
Well, I go by the name Tijan Sissoko.
Okay.
My friends call me Tisco.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Tisco. So I'm told you're the team
coach.
Okay.
And I happen to be the director of communication for the Gambian Association.
Okay. Apparently you have some tricks up your sleeve because you guys beat us today. You really beat our asses. So what is the trick? What's the secret?
Well, you know, my guys are good. We got young guys, we got young footballers, and they're really good at what they do.
Yeah.
You know, they can play very well. They're very mobile, and they have the technical ability to move the ball.
Yeah.
We know definitely that we're playing a very good team, the Ugandan team.
Yeah.
This is actually not the first time we're playing against you guys. It's really the third time we're playing you guys.
Okay.
So the first time we won, and the second time also we won. So now we're coming in here, and we know the Ugandan teams are ready for vengeance, right? Yo,
yeah.
So we know you guys were ready, and I know a lot of my Ugandan buddies, like Shafiq, your captain today.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he was ready that you guys are gonna, pay back. Right?
Yeah.
But I set my team up with my team.
Yeah.
I'm definitely sure we were ready for the challenge that you guys are gonna bring to us.
We're very honored. Like, you know, like there's always going to be a winner, a loser, whatever, but I feel like you're all winners. Just the kind of game you guys played is amazing. So thank you for coming out. Thank you for taking the time to, you know, because just somebody showing up like that, they show, like, it's respect, you know what I mean? Like, so we respect you guys, and thank you for respecting us
we
back.
appreciate you guys so much because the two communities have been coming together, you know? The Ugandan community and the Gambian community are one.
Yeah.
You know, it's the same thing your elders have been saying, your leaders have been saying. They told us that from 4 years ago, the first time we played you guys here, the same venue, and we were fortunate to have come out victorious.
Yeah.
And then, you know, today again, the community is coming closer and closer.
Yeah.
It's one Africa, you know?
True.
It's one love,
one love,
you know?
one Africa.
One Africa, one Gambia, one Uganda. It's one love, you know?
True.
Yeah, we appreciate you guys a lot.
Thank you.
I am here with the man himself. This is Shafiq Najib. He's modest. So in case you don't hear his voice, I'll tune it up for you. This is Shafiq Najib. He's our team's captain, like the Ugandan team. And we did ourselves today, right? And like they say, there's no winners, there's no losers. He's the man behind the magic on the field, like getting the team together, practice every day. There's no day in my life that I've called Shafiq and he's not on the pitch. So thank you so much. I just wanted to say that. Thank you for representing, and we're so honored to know you. Guys, I know the captain. Let's pause. Take a moment and pause. Do you know any captain of any team? Do you know Christian? Do you know those people? I do.
I'm very honored.
Yeah, so this is our team captain. And is there anything you wanted to say?
I just want to thank everyone for actually watching and subscribing. Thank you so much. And I hope we get to meet one day. Thank you.
The outgoing vice president.
Nice to meet you in the flesh.
That's Usman Conte. Thank you. Thank you, MP. Thank you. Thank you, Amaru. Thank you.
That's mine.
nyama. Mashallah. Let's first wipe this a bit. Okay, there. Hello my people. Today is Saturday. We downtown. We're gonna have dinner. I do not know why I'm talking like this. Anywho, so Khadija and I are gonna have dinner, you know, just something to commemorate her birthday. It was earlier this week, but I had work, she had work, and yeah. So yeah, I'm just out here. I just parked. I'm gonna run into the restaurant. I'm still going back and forth on that, like because Khadija doesn't know, but I already got the cake and I put it in the, I asked them to put it in the fridge. So later on when they bring it with candles and everything, she's gonna be so confused. She's gonna wonder. So the only way that trick will work is if she finds me outside the restaurant, right? But if she finds me sitting inside, then you get what I mean? So yeah, I'm just gonna pretend like I've been waiting for her here in the car this whole time. And I know what you're thinking. I'm a genius. I am. My phone. You guys, check out this pretty dope car. When you're downtown, you see all kinds of things, including cars like that. I want you to see it move. Okay, now it's gonna move. Ooh la la. Yes, sir. My birthday. Hi. How are you? Everybody say happy birthday, Khadija. She looks so gorgeous, mashallah. This is what it means to age like fine wine. Okay, like so. If you're aging like bongo, yogurt. This is how we look.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you for loving me always.
She's so sweet. She's gonna make me cry. What was your drink again?
Mango milk.
Mango milk?
Mango milk shake something. Smoothie, yeah.
Yeah. It's really nice. Guys, these are really spicy, but they're so good. They're so spicy. Because if they did inclined, like.
Now you're getting comfortable. Because it's low but I really feel comfortable with this shoe.
We know black. How does birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. I tried to stall and distract her. Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Khadija, happy birthday to you. Hip hip Did it work? You forget your own cake in the restaurant. Okay, thank you. Oh my god. Sorry. Let me drink the water. I think I'm always drinking, so I forgot. I got it. You guys, talk about forgetting. first of all, we forgot to bring out the cake. Finally, we bring out the cake. Then I forget. DJ forgets the cake as well. So she went back and got it. And then as I was leaving, they're like, oh, the cup. You're taking the cup. I was taking the restaurant tumbler with me. Like, it is so crazy.
We're so confused.
Yeah, but it's been a lovely night. Either we're just so stressed. Speaking of which, like, I have been working a night shift, and so has Khadija. It would explain all the forgetting that's going on around here, because it's too much. It honestly is too much. But alhamdulillah, we had a beautiful meal. Guys, the restaurant is called The Kettle. It's a halal Indian cuisine restaurant. It just opened like 3 weeks ago, mashallah. And I hope, you know, Allah puts a lot of barak and rizq in their business, because they really have amazing food, and they have amazing service. They're good at what they're doing. So mashallah is all I can say. Happy birthday.
Thank you, I enjoyed.
Yo, there's bikers here, check them out.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind.